Hi, welcome to my channel. So in today's video I will be trying the Cardi B DIY hair mask. If you find this video interesting, if you like it, please give it a thumbs up and please comment down below and let me know which kind of video I should be doing next. I would gladly appreciate it. Give your girl a subscribe, and yeah, let's get right into it. Okay, so for this one we'll need 1 avocado, and then 1 banana, and cut it in 3. And then we'll need 2 eggs. I'll just crack it open. Easy. Then I'm using 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise. Kind of struggling with the bottle. I ran out of mayonnaise. It wasn't like a full tablespoon, but we managed. Okay, and for the honey, I use the raw honey, and we need 1 tablespoon. Yep, big spoon. Yeah, natural honey. Okay, for the castor oil, I use the Jamaican black castor oil. It's the Tropical brand. Yeah, so I use a big spoon for this one because I need a lot of oil. For this one, I'm gonna use two spoons. Yeah. All right, last one is olive oil. So I'm using the organic. Okay, 2 tablespoons for this one as well. So I want the stuff to be able to blend. Alright. There we go. Almost forgot the argan oil. So I'm gonna put 1 spoon. 1 spoon. Alright, I'm gonna pour the mask in a jar. So this is a jar right here. I got it from Dollar Tree for $1, of course. And I have a remaining, so I'm gonna use this one for this video. And yep, that's how it turned out. Okay, now I'm parting my hair. I'm going to part my hair in 4 sections so I can add the mask. Okay. Excuse my bare face, guys. I don't wear makeup because I don't know how to. Alright, I put in my hair in 4. I thought that was cute, but okay. Now it's time to apply the mask. Yo, I am loving this mask, bro. Wow, look at my hair. It looks so defined. I love it. I love it. Then I put a plastic bag over my hair and I'll let it sit for like 3 hours. Okay, I am back to see the result. After letting it sit for 3 hours, here I am. So excited to see the result. I'm going to wash it with, I'm using it in a castor oil shampoo to wash, and then for conditioner I use the tea tree. Now I'm gonna try to detangle my hair with the hair conditioner. It makes it easier for me to detangle, and it feels so good, so smooth, everything. Okay, drying my hair out with a towel. I don't use heat on my hair. I've done that before and it damaged my hair like crazy. I don't want to go back through this. So for conditioner, I use the Capcut conditioner. I will do a length check in my next video. And I'm gonna apply some hair oils. I use peppermint oil and wild growth hair to look the moisturizer in my hair. Alright, and I think that is all for this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please don't forget to leave a thumbs up and subscribe down below. I'll see you guys in my next video.